The United States has imposed a preliminary anti-dumping duty of 123.04% on solar cells and modules imported from India, a move that could further restrict shipment to a key export market, though its immediate impact may be limited as companies have diversified. The US Department of Commerce said it had found critical circumstances in its investigation involving firms such as Mundra Solar Energy, Mundra Solar PV, KUA, and Premier Energies. It added that the suspension of liquidation would apply to shipments up to 90 days prior to the order's publication. India's solar industry has criticized the decision, with National Solar Energy Federation of India CEO Subramaniam Pulipaka saying the finding of the investigation seemed to be fundamentally flawed and without any logical basis. He added that NSEFI has initiated a formal representation to contest the ruling as per ET. The latest duty adds to existing countervailing duties of over 125%, taking the combined tariff burden on Indian solar exports to more than 200%, effectively making shipment to the US unviable, industry officials said to ET. Bureau Report News Now.